we're at Sierra Vista High School. We're about to...
memories.
Well, for him, not for me. I didn't come to the school. You went to the school.
Yeah.
You're
06.
class of 06. That's crazy. We're here to judge a music scholarship competition that actually started because one of his friends sadly took his life, right?
Passed away from a bike accident. What year, man? That was a while back.
Sorry, misinformation. Well, it's still a very sad event.
Yeah.
So his family created this scholarship in his honor, and so they've been doing this for, I'm not exactly sure how many years, do you know?
I lost track, but it's been quite a while.
He
was a musician himself. I met him here. He was playing bass and guitar in jazz band with me.
Okay, so yeah, looks like we're starting. Get back later. All right, good, right?
It's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Woo!
It was long, but it was really good. There were excellent students, and unfortunately, we can only give scholarship to 2 of them at the most, but I think the 2 that we all picked were...
They stood out.
Yeah, they really did. And they were phenomenal students. I mean,
especially for a high school senior,
yeah.
I mean, that's pretty amazing.
Yeah, so, I mean, yeah, if you guys see this video, I don't know, maybe you might, but I want you guys to know that those of you who won, you did an excellent job, and I wish you the best in your career. I know that you guys are going to have a very excellent musical journey.
Yes.
So, now we're off because I have to go to my sister's confirmation reception now. I mean,
this time?
Yeah, reception
right.
though. I mean, mass is done.
Reception. No,
reception time. Reception time. All right, so we'll see you there. So we're back home. I did not do any recording at Lupita's confirmation reception. I started, I sat down to eat first, and then I started talking to my friends who were there, and then I just never caught up to do any recording. But everybody had a good time. Look, just show everybody your confirmation robe.
Confirmation robe? It's a gown correction.
Well, your confirmation gown. Show everybody. Look, guys. There she is, Guadalupe. Oh, that's a little blurry. Let me clear that up a bit. There you go. So now she's all done with Saturday morning classes, and she can sleep in. Woot woot. All right, so we're gonna go to bed now, and we're gonna go hiking in the morning. So see you guys in the morning.
No, we are not. You are.
All right, ready to go hiking. I gotta go pick Gus up first, so we're gonna go pick him up, and then we'll go up to the trail. Hello, hello.
Hey, morning.
Good morning. All right, off to hike we go. If I can find the place. Because that's something that you want to see, right? Right. We're trying to find a waterfall, but I don't know if this is going to really help us. hard to do. I don't know why we're always choosing like the hardest ways to get moving forward. Well, we made it. So this trail leads up to like a waterfall, for those of you who are not in California or the San Gabriel Valley, or have never been up to Eaton Canyon. Leads up to a really nice waterfall. It's a Saturday morning, I was gonna say afternoon. It's Saturday morning, and so that means that there's a little extra more people here, but it's still a nice Saturday.
Yep.
Alright, well this seems like a very appropriate place to end today's vlog, guys. I know it's been a couple of days, but good there?
Almost.
Oh, there you go.
Water is cold.
Very freezing cold, but it feels so good. I can only imagine like on a summer day. I mean, the hike up here must suck initially, but once you get here, this is like gold. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment down below if you've ever been to Eaton Canyon, and especially down here to the waterfall area. And we'll catch you in the next video. And until then, see you then.